Hi, John here from Diode Dynamics. Today we'll be installing our brand new SS3 Fog Light Kit for the 2016 through 2018 Chevy Silverado 1500 and the 2019 Chevy Silverado LD. With that being said, let's get started. For this installation, we'll need a 7mm socket and a 5/32 Allen key. To start our installation, we'll pull back on the red tab and remove the factory fog light harness. With our harness disconnected, we can now remove the 4 7mm bolts holding on the fog lamp. Coming from outside the vehicle, we'll be taking our SS3 and installing it into the included bracket. We'll take our supplied nut and drop it in the side of our SS3 with a nylon lock ring facing the inside. When securing the SS3 to the included bracket, make sure you identify the DD logo up top and make sure the DT connector is on the bottom. Next, we'll want to take our supplied bolt and washer and feed it through the side of the bracket into the SS3. Now we'll take our 5/32 Allen key and fasten the hardware, but only hand tight so we have room for adjustment later. Coming back underneath the vehicle, I'll be reinstalling our 4 7mm bolts onto our new bracket. With our bracket installed, we can now take our DT connector and plug it in the back of the SS3. Once that's secure, we can take the other end and plug it into our factory fog light harness. Now that we have everything hooked up, we can make our final aiming adjustments. Once we have that aimed in accordance of where we like, we can go back underneath and fasten the 2 5/32 bolts on the side of the bracket. You can repeat the same steps to install the SS3s on this side of the vehicle on the other side to complete the installation. As you can see, with our SS3 Fog Light Kit installed, not only do you have a huge increase in light output over your factory fogs, but you now have a more clean and modern appearance. If you're looking for an SS3 Fog Light Kit for your vehicle or any of our other products, visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.